Across the globe, millions of calls ring every second, the heartbeat of customer service. But soon, that voice on the other end may no longer be human. Artificial intelligence is rapidly transforming call centers, replacing busy agents with digital voices that never sleep. Today's AI chatbots don't just follow rules. They understand tone, emotion, and even frustration. By 2029, research firm Gartner predicts AI will solve 80% of all customer issues without human help. In Asia, home to millions of call center jobs, this automation wave is already reshaping entire industries. But AI isn't perfect. Many customers still face robotic replies and endless chat loops when all they need is real help. One chatbot from delivery firm DPD even went rogue, criticizing its own company and swearing at users online. While rivals like Ivory are investing millions to fix AI flaws, others are still searching for the right human touch. Salesforce's AI, called AgentForce, says 94% of customers now prefer chatting with bots over human agents. The company claims to have saved $100 million. Proof that AI isn't just changing service, it's changing business itself. Still, many employees aren't being replaced. They're being retrained for new roles alongside AI. Because no matter how advanced technology becomes, empathy remains deeply human. The future may not be AI versus humans, but AI with humans working side by side. Lawmakers in the US and Europe are already pushing for a right to talk to a human, protecting that vital human connection. So, will AI end call centers forever, or simply reinvent them? Next time you hear, "Your call is important to us," it might just be a robot that really means it.